Beyond the 9 to 5 in an unaffordable America. America is becoming too expensive for the average person to survive on one paycheck, and deep down, most people already know it. Survival in today's economy requires a major shift, a shift away from simply selling your time for money, and toward building systems that generate income on their own. The old idea of the steady paycheck as financial security is collapsing. The people getting ahead right now are building private cash flow ecosystems. They're acquiring assets, leveraging distressed opportunities, positioning themselves inside changing markets instead of being crushed by them. They understand something most people don't. In times of economic instability, ownership creates freedom. And the goal is no longer just making money, it's building self-sustaining wealth powerful enough to survive almost any economy. The strategic blueprint, relying on a single employer in an unaffordable America is no longer a viable survival strategy. You need to pivot from being a worker to becoming the architect of your own personal economy. We are dismantling outdated financial myths and showing people how to build income, acquire assets, and create wealth capable of surviving almost any economic collapse. In an unaffordable America, survival may depend on building income beyond the 9 to 5. Follow Nova RE Alliance and learn how real estate investors are creating income, cash flow, and financial freedom in today's economy. Follow for more because we teach execution, not theory.